Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Salesforce to Power BI. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here an article to explain on how to connect your Salesforce to Power BI. And simply in your Power BI desktop, you will need just to go to Home. And then you click on Get Data and simply you will find this more, or you can simply use uh, a server. So here, by clicking on more, you will find already that there is, instead of going to database, you can find online services and you will find Salesforce objects. And basically, if you want to only import reports, you will need just to choose reports. So by clicking on Salesforce object, then it will require you to log in to your organization. So now after connecting, you will use, of course, your environment, which is would it be production or sandbox, and of course you will click on OK, and now you will need to sign in to your organization. And by clicking on sign in, you will be redirected to the login page of Salesforce. And after that, it will give you the navigator, means it will give you the object that you want to import or that you want to connect to Power BI. By clicking on load, you will have your data that will be loaded. And after that, you can start do the same for the reports, and you can do the same, of course, process. So basically, those are the steps to on how you can connect your Salesforce objects to your Power BI. So thank you for watching and see you next time.